So we're going to take some cement and then break up the dust, pour it in a bucket and then add some water in. This is a litre.
Give it a good mix.
So this is a rectangle skillet.
Got a sponge and vegetable oil. Tip the vegetable oil in, use your sponge up the sides. Like that. Probably didn't need that much.
So pour the mixture in and then just level off the top as much as you can. So this is a round paint kettle. Add some weight in to keep it down.
Hopefully that should stay there. Giving the sides a tap, just to get all the air bubbles out.
So we're taking 4 biros.
Make 4 holes at an angle, so then the sticks come out, marshmallows at the top, bush. So I'm going to do it with the button side down. What we're going to do is leave this to set, and then, fingers crossed, we should be ready to pull the bucket out.
So we left this overnight.
Ooh, just give that a wipe off. Take the top layer off. You can see the dust coming off. Now we're going to light it.
Has it gone out?
What is going on? We've got one more candle. Mac.